the Masai Mara, one of Africa's most breathtaking landscapes. A land where wildlife and humans have coexisted for centuries. But in recent years, this delicate balance has been shifting. As villages and farms expand, elephants searching for food often stray into human-inhabited areas. This leads to crop destruction, property damage, and in some cases, dangerous encounters. The challenge: how do we protect communities while also preserving one of Africa's most iconic species?
There will be a lot of conflicts between people and elephants, especially during the planting season. We have the planting season, and that is crops raided by the elephants, which starts from this March now towards the end of July. So that period, there will be a lot of conflicts because most of the elephants actually go out of the protected areas to the community to raid crops.
To address this growing conflict, technology is playing a crucial role. Drones offer a fast, safe, and efficient way to monitor elephant movements and prevent conflict before it happens. Today, we are in Masai Mara, working with the Mara Elephant Project and expert drones to demonstrate how the DJI Matrice 4 is revolutionizing conservation.
So the human footprint expansion has really projected or presented a lot of challenges in this landscape that people and wildlife peacefully coexisted way back, but you find that the balance is outweighing each other. So you'll find there's a lot of habitat loss, there's a lot of land use changes, there's a lot of land privatization, a lot of fencing, and of course this affects not just elephants but other wildlife that call the Mara home.
We are very happy to introduce to them this kind of new technology with the Matrice 4T and 4E, which will help them engage and attack these numerous challenges.
You have the coordinates, right? So we'll try to...
One of the rangers begins tracking the elephants using a GPS collar system. Through a specialized app, we can see the elephant's last recorded location, giving us a critical starting point. The DJI Matrice 4T takes flight, giving us an aerial perspective that allows rangers to quickly scan the area and confirm the herd's exact location. With the drone in the air, we now have a clearer, faster, and safer way to track the elephants before they get too close to human settlements. Using the high-resolution zoom camera, we were able to inspect the elephant's GPS collar remotely, ensuring it was still operational and tracking accurately. We also checked the thermal view, allowing us to detect the elephant's heat signatures, even through thick vegetation or in low-light conditions.
No any injury on the right, and the left part is good.
Very good.
And very
Even
clean, and very clear. Yeah. No any
the
injury at all.
front side, no injuries, very clean.
As the sun set over the Masai Mara, our work didn't stop. We conducted night operations, utilizing the thermal mode to detect and monitor the elephants under the cover of darkness.
Right.
Without thermal imaging, tracking elephants at night is almost impossible. This feature allows us to see through thick bush and locate them within minutes. This allowed us to track their movements in real time, ensuring they didn't wander too close to local communities, helping us prevent potential conflicts before they could arise.
For DJI Matrice 4, this is a new fashion drone that I have used in some few days ago. It's a good machine. I've seen several things that will perform human-elephant conflicts, whereby the first thing, it will go to a high distance, like 25 kilometers away, which it will assist us, first of all, to perform human-wildlife conflict. And also, it has a thermal camera that is very powerful. You can spot the elephants at night. It has a very clear picture. And also, if you want to make any footage, it is very nice. And also, I have seen there's a spotlight that will just follow the gimbal on it. When you just tilt the gimbal to just focus on your point of interest.
So these DJI drones are really effective when it comes to unsetting up, setting it up and, just flying it on the go. So instead of burning helicopter gas all the time, we are just deploying the drones in real time. And it has been very effective. So as the conflict as situations arise or as we get reports from our rangers and from the community, we deploy the drones immediately.
This demonstration is just the beginning. As technology evolves, drones will play an even bigger role in wildlife conservation and conflict mitigation. The future of conservation lies in innovation, collaboration, and action. By combining technology, expertise, and community involvement, we can create a future where both humans and elephants thrive together.